Florida. I'm 24. I own a junk removal LLC that specializes in door-to-door sales. Okay, which one is it? Are you doing door-to-door sales or are you doing junk removal? Because junk removal, bro, you don't need no damn door-to-door sales. So what are you door-to-door sales doing? You need a brand. You either need to run ads to get known or you need to make content to get known. And you're giving yourself to December to get stable, or you're joining the Coast Guard. So you've already implemented an out. You already have an exit in your head. That's a recipe for disaster. What do you guys hear? Not just from myself, from all the greats. There is no plan B. So it doesn't look like you're all in on this business. Maybe you should come up with a different business because you're doing junk removal, but you're in door to door and you already have an out by December. I don't know, man. New here. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, if you're broke, this is probably not the live stream for you. I'm sorry. Like, this is not the place for you. I seen a couple of you guys say you're broke or you live in your, like, one says unemployed, another says living in my truck. This is not the channel for you, unfortunately, man. This is for people who already have a skill or a business. You got to go get your life together, man, and just go be a regular adult. If I can't, this is not the place for you, man. Go be a regular adult and then come back. You have something going for yourself. We're like so far removed from a business and brand. We're doing a live Q&A on how to help people with their business and brand blow up with social media. This ain't for the unemployed folk.